Hi folks, this is Rick from AC Pokemon Refrigeration. On emergency call this morning, Kalahari Resorts called me. I'm at the water park. The walk-in beer cooler is down. I have already checked the evaporator with my leak detector. You can see the temperature is over 80 degrees in here, probably somewhere in 80. It's maxed. I checked this evaporator with my leak detector and I found no leak here. So the line set goes up and out this wall. Right up there. So I had to trace it out to the mechanical room. So folks, I'm on my way to the mechanical room to add some Freon. They're getting ready to open here. Kalahari, pretty cool place. Water slides. So off I go over to the mechanical room to add some Freon. Then I have to work on getting the evaporator fans up and working. It's going to take about 2 minutes to get over there. Here we go. There's a pirate. And there's a nice water slide. Pretty cool place. Alright, so it's always an adventure on this job. You never know where we're going to go. Here's a pretty cool place in here. I have no idea where that is going to do. It looks like that could be part of the bar area. Very cool. Alright folks, here we go. Got to go outside and walk around to the mechanical room. Very cool. Yep, that looks like the bar. Alright, I'm going to shut this down and post it. Let's walk back around to the mechanical room. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I'll let you know on part 2 what's going on.